Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to write a YouTube script using ChatGPT. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official ChatGPT OpenAI website. So guys, when on this website, if you do not know how to get started using this website, then make sure to watch our other video where we explain step by step for beginners how to get started and create an account so you can use this program right here. So guys, after doing that, now we'll go ahead and click on the ChatGPT button so it will open up in a new tab. So guys, you can see here we have examples of what this chat can do. You can ask it anything. You can ask it how quantum computing works. You can ask it for any creative ideas. You can ask it how to program in some language, and so on and so on. So guys, this is the following thing that we're going to ask for it to help us write a YouTube script. So guys, you can see, let's say that we want to find out a YouTube script for a video called how to make good tutorials. So we're going to ask it just that. Create me a YouTube script on the theme how to make good YouTube tutorials. So guys, after typing this, just click enter, and now guys, it will do its magic, and here is a possible YouTube script on how to make good YouTube tutorials. And now it's giving us instructions what to do and what to say, how to make a tutorial. You can ask it anything you want, any other video, any other theme, and it will give you an answer. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.